One key factor for transiting to renewable energy is the cost of energy storage. Today, the cost of energy storage is too much. We need cheap energy storage. Lithium-ion battery today is too expensive. It's about $250 per megawatt hour. It's expected to decrease, but it's not going to decrease below $150 per megawatt hour, which is too expensive. We believe kinetic energy storage is very promising in that aspect, because the main cost of our system is material. It's basically the carbon fiber to make the rotor. With today's cost of carbon fiber for high performance, we get half the price of lithium-ion battery in terms of levelized cost of storage. We believe the cost of carbon fiber is going to decrease in the coming years, and we expect maybe a decrease of 30% of the cost from now to 2030 because of the increase of manufacturing capacity.